Exactly. Exactly. So, what's some of the hardest things you've had to experience as a cat sitter?
I would say probably trying to get people to correct the litter box
Hmm. Yeah.
problems. That's the main thing that I see. People, they, I don't know if they just don't know. I mean, I went one time to a place, they didn't have a litter scoop. How are you scooping your litter box? I looked everywhere, and I'm not a snooper, so I don't like snoop when I go to people's house. If the door's closed to that room, I don't go in that room. I don't need to go in there.